going to see snow peas Thuvaran. It's a traditional recipe that is prepared in southernmost part of India.
For snow peas Thuvaran, we need 250 grams snow peas, quarter cup of water, 1 medium sized onion, 2 teaspoon cooking oil, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, curry powder 1 or 1.5 teaspoon. If you don't have curry powder at home, you can go for hot chili powder. According to your spice level, you can add. The one I am using is a homemade curry powder. Salt, half teaspoon or 3/4 teaspoon, according to your salt level, you can add or reduce. Coconut 1 strip or just a half a cup of coconut. Jeera 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder 1. Now we'll see how to prepare this. Remove the top and the bottom part from the snow pea and remove the string from both the sides and cut them into a thin and the small size ones. To save time, you can group them along and you can cut this way as well, but make sure that you are removing the strings from both the sides. Add quarter cup of water to the saucepan and heat the saucepan and add the chopped snow peas and allow them to cook for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame with lid covered. After 2 minutes, you can see the color change. Now you can remove the pan from the flame and drain out the water, if any, to a bowl, and you can use the drained out water for any curry or as a soup. Remove skin of the onion and finely chop them into small pieces. Cut the coconut into thin strips. In a mixer jar, add the cut coconut, 1 teaspoon jeera and 1 garlic pod with skin off and grind them into a coarse texture. Heat up the pan and add 2 teaspoon oil. For tempering, you can use 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 8 to 10 curry leaf. It will give you a nice aroma. For today, I have not used those. Add the chopped onion and half teaspoon salt and saute them for 2 minutes until they change into a glossy texture. Add the snow peas. To that, add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and the chili powder or the curry powder. Mix them well and allow them to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now transfer the coarse grinded one to this and mix them well and allow them to cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the raw smell of the garlic goes off.
It tastes so good with the rice and the curry.